Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open the box and remove the Ez50G device and accessories carefully. Inspect the unit and the included charger for any damage. Charge the battery for 90 minutes before first use to ensure optimal performance. Insert your SIM card into slot using the tray tool provided. Power the device on by pressing and holding the power button for 3 seconds. Locate the Wi-Fi name Ez50G printed on the sticker and the default password below it. Connect a laptop or phone. Open a browser and go to 192.168.0.1 to access the Ez50G portal. Enter admin for both username and password to log in the first time. Immediately change the admin password and store it securely. Navigate to wireless settings to rename the Wi-Fi SSID and set a strong password of at least 12 characters. Go to network settings and enable 5G mode if not already active. Select bandwidth auto or 100 MHz for best throughput and save all settings before exiting the portal. Purchase a data plan and load it to your SIM through the carrier app or website. Most carriers accept 0 increments and immediate activation after payment. If the Ez50G loses connection, restart the device by holding the power button for 10 seconds. Check signal strength and move the device near a window for better reception. For persistent problems, perform a factory reset by pressing and holding the reset pin for 8 seconds. After reset, reapply your settings and verify connectivity before regular use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.